Welcome to the ATC Dormitory, located at the ATC complex. Comfortable rooms, which can accommodate from 1 to 4 persons, are the perfect home for ATC participants. The ATC Dormitory offers 5 rooms for coaches and 25 for players, a total of 120 guests. The rooms are equipped with air conditioners, refrigerators, wireless internet connection, and much more. Social areas are also provided for your leisure, including a fitness center, meeting rooms, and restaurants. More importantly, the entire complex is fully enclosed and the gates are manned 24 hours a day. Make yourself at home. We wish you have a pleasant stay.